Hey guys, today we're going to be teaching you how to pay with Revolut on Samsung. So the best way to use the Revolut card is to treat it like just any other credit card really. So you're going to want to use it during the checkout process, which I will demonstrate here. So I already have something on my card. And so I'm just going to go ahead and go through the checkout process. Fill out some details there for shipping and whatnot. And this is where you want to go. So the step 3, the payment process. So you're going to want to use a credit or debit card. The thing with Revolut cards is most, if not all of them, are going to be powered by Visa anyway. So you want to choose this option, credit or debit card. And normally you might find that you can just enter the credit card details here. But for the purposes of this tutorial, it's going to look different on my end. A little bit, but in the end, I'm going to be using the same form where I could fill out the name of the card, card numbers, and all the other details that can all be found on your Revolut card. And once you're done, you just click submit and complete the checkout process. And it's that easy. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.